Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can change settings on Twitter. So whether you are using the mobile app or desktop version of Twitter, just tap on your avatar picture at the top left corner, then go into settings and support. After that, open the settings and privacy page, and over there are all settings to change that are possibly available for you on Twitter. It is also worth mentioning that the desktop version of the site, thus the Twitter.com, provides you with a little bit more settings. So if you didn't find some particular option over here at the mobile app, feel free to use the Twitter.com service. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.